Hello 5th class, this is page 133, question 5. I'm just going to explain this question because it's a little confusing at the start. Use your calculator to help you make 5 fractions with a value between 50% and 75% inclusive using the numbers below. So these are the numbers we've got to choose from to make a fraction. To make a fraction I need two numbers, a numerator on the top and a denominator on the bottom. So for example, if I choose 8/11, that could be a fraction. Now, I need to find out if 8/11 makes the right percentage. So, I'm going to put in 8 divided by 11%, and I see that it's 72.72%. So I'm going to round it up to 73%. So that one falls within 50 and 75. I could use that fraction. What if I choose 1/7? There's 1 and 7. Okay, I don't think 1/7 is going to be big enough because it's way less than 50%, so that wasn't a good choice. If I want to test it, 1 divided by 7%. Hang on, that didn't work. 1 divided by 7%. Well, that's only 14%. So that one doesn't fit within the parameters of this question. No good. What if I chose 4/16? Well, even without working out on a calculator, 4 into 4 goes once. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. And I know a quarter is 25%. So there's really no use in working that one out. What I need is something that's more than 50%. 9/16. Well, 8/16 would be 50%. So I'm pretty sure this one is higher than 50%. This one should work. So 9 divided by 16%, 56.25. I'll just round it down to 56%. Okay, so far I found two fractions that fit my criteria. So now your job is to find 3 more. And remember, they've all got to be over 50%, but not more than 75%. There's more than 5 right answers for this, so start exploring.